How to fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, we will launch phone settings. Now you need to simply navigate to system settings, or simply you can search for reset option, and a list of reset options will appear. Simply you need to choose reset network settings and then go ahead and tap reset network settings. Again, verify your identity entering your password and tap reset network settings. So you can confirm the reset. After that, this will erase saved Wi-Fi networks but can fix many connection issues. Afterwards, you need to simply adjust the developer option. For that, hit towards settings again and then scroll to the bottom of the screen. Tap about device, scroll to the bottom again and tap version. Now you have to tap on bill number 7 times to enable developer option. You can see that we are already a developer. Now you need to go ahead to settings page and select additional settings. Here you need to scroll down and find the option for developer options. Scroll down. Now check for Wi-Fi scan throttling. If it is turned on, you simply need to turn it off. Now in the same developer option, locate always keep mobile data on and turn it on. After that, you need to restart your device by holding power button on your device and then swiping towards restart option. And that is how we can successfully fix Wi-Fi connection automatically turning off issue on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.